Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a good day. We are going to be adding some safety features to the Highlander. This is a modification that a lot of people have mixed emotions about, only because if you're behind the vehicle that has this modification, it's kind of annoying, but at the same time, you do notice it. And I'm talking about the third brake light that flashes when you press the brakes. So basically, this is a little module that whenever you hit the brakes, it makes the third brake light blink. This one blinks 3 times fast, then 3 slow, and then steady on. So this basically is used for, different situations, like if your area has a lot of fog or it snows a lot. This definitely will alert the drivers behind you that you're about to brake, versus just pressing the brakes. This kind of flashes. So yeah, people say it's kind of annoying being stopped behind somebody who has this, like intersections or stop and go traffic. But then again, you do notice that that vehicle is in front of you. So if you're driving, it's not a big deal because you can't see it. If you're the person behind the vehicle that has this, may be annoying, but then again, it's doing its job because you are aware that he is in front of you, or the car is in front of you. I ended up printing out a wire diagram for this Highlander to really find out where I'm going to be tapping into. So here we have the center stop lamp, and we're looking for a blue wire and a white and black wire. So I'm going to go to the back, open the lift gate, and then see if I can find these wires here, and then just snip them and go ahead and add this little module to it, and then we'll see how it works. All right, so I'm over here by the top hatch. We're gonna just peel the weather stripping up so we can get access to the headliner. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's clips in here that you just gotta pop down here. You just pull these clips down in the headliner. This side is another one up here, and here is the connector we need. Just push this in, pull it down, and here is the blue wire and the white with black. So this is the connector we need. So this is the 2 wires, the thin ones, the blue and the white with black. There's a thick white and black, that's not the one we need. It's just the 2 thin ones. So we need to get a little bit more slack in the connector. So I'm actually gonna cut some of this plastic that's around the connector so I can get access to the wire a little bit further back. So I'm gonna cut some of this off with the razor blade. All right, so I'm just gonna cut some of this wire here and just cut it out the way. So just peel it back. So these are the 2 wires we need. We need this one and we need this one. So we need to cut, don't cut it too close to the connector, because if you don't want this module and you want to connect it back to this, you're not going to have very much slack here. So we want to cut a little bit further down so we have enough slack still left over. And now I'm not going to be using this one fancy. I ended up buying these at Harbor Freight. It's just a wire stripper. You basically just put the wire, I'll show you here and there, and it'll strip it automatically for you. So yeah, you don't need nothing fancy. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut about right there, and then we'll cut about right there. Okay, so the black and white is going to be the ground, and the blue is going to be our power. So all we do is basically these will connect to this side, and this side connects to this side. So if power is red, then blue is power also. So these will connect, and then you connect the same colors on the other side. So we'll do one side up first. We'll start with our power wire. So we'll strip this. You just click it in here, like so, and pull it back. And pull this off. And we'll do the same to our ground wire. Okay. We do to our other side the same way. Just stick this in here. Pull back. Stick this in here. And then pull back. Now, I'm not going to use any kind of special connectors. I'm just going to twist these wires together and use electrical tape, because these are not exposed to the outside atmosphere, so I'm not worried about these getting any kind of corrosion or moisture on them, since this is in the inside. Now, if these were on the outside of the vehicle, I definitely would solder them and use some kind of heat shrink. But they are on the inside, so I'm not going that far. And I'm kind of trying to use this as a how-to for everyone, so that everyone has the same tools. Not everyone has solder. So basically, red on one side. This, twist it on like this. A little bit of electrical tape. Go ahead and just go around it. Make sure it's secured.
Dad.
Yeah.
Can we ride bikes when you're done working? And then you need to put my shoes on me so we can do it to our friend's house far over there.
Sure, baby. Once I get done, we can definitely go over to your friend's house.
Yeah, and play with him.
Cool. Okay, so then once you get one side connected, we can go ahead and just do the same to the other side of the connector. So once again, blue and red, and white and black.
I'm doing my best.
Okay, so once we get all the connectors connected, I like to secure everything with a couple of just zip ties to make sure nothing is just dangling or hanging around. So let's just go ahead and just wrap this around like this.
I did.
All right, so just secure it like this. Okay.
I did.
And we go ahead and plug it back in.
Oh no. I'll keep you doing it. Dad.
So once that's plugged in, we can make sure everything works, and we can secure everything right back the way it was. And just pop the Highlander back in, guys. And secure this back down, put the weather seal back on. All right, guys, so that was pretty simple. Like I said, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and I will definitely get back to you. I have another video coming up where I'm going to do a hardwiring a dash camera to the rearview mirror. So please hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned, and we'll see you guys on the next one.